Hey, are you struggling with black screen in your OBS Studio? Well, I just found a solution, so you might want to check it out. Alright, so as far as I'm concerned, this solution works for computers that have two graphic cards. And that was the case for me. I couldn't get it to work, but I just found the fix, so let me share it with you. You just need to find your OBS. Open the file location, and you just need to right click it, and you need to select the option change default graphics processors. As you can see, I have the high performance NVIDIA processor and integrated graphics. I can choose the option. As a default, it was set to high performance NVIDIA processor, and then I only saw a black screen there. But once I changed it to integrated graphics, then it started to work. So you just need to click on the change default graphics processor, and here in the settings you select the preferred graphics processor, and you need to select the integrated graphics. So once you do that, it starts working. So that's the fix, guys. I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and it helped you, please leave a like below and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.